Hello and welcome to today's YouTube video. In this video, I'll be jumping into TradingView and demo trading a bunch of different assets between Forex to crypto to see how accurately I can predict the price. TradingView has this really cool feature that allows you to turn back the clock a few months or however long you want, and then guess if it's going to go up or down by hitting the buy or sell button, and then hit play and you can fast forward through time to see if you were right or wrong about the asset's price. So let's jump into TradingView and see how this goes. Alright, as you can see, we're in TradingView here now. So I'm on Great British Pound US dollar. I've got a few indicators, both the volume, whatever that is, and the whole suite an indicator, which I like for crypto and stuff. I'm going to be doing, at least to start with, Forex, because when I do crypto, I know the price is so much, and so it's a bit of an unfair challenge, because I'm going to know where it's going to go more or less, unless I go a long ways back. So let's just see how this goes. So I'll hit replay, and then I've got to scroll back real fast, so I don't see, and then just click. Um, let's try that again. So didn't exactly see where that's going, and then I can just click play here. And right now, I'm not going to buy it yet. I'm just going to click play for a minute and then see, and then enter a trade in a minute. So let's go here. So it's going up, went down again. Yeah. So if I go here, I'm no master trader. I'm gonna go back to the 4-hour chart. I like the 4-hour chart to kind of decide some trades, and then I can go. And again, this is not follow what I'm used to with crypto. So if I'm not the best with this, then I'm sorry, but I'm not used to it. So I'm in here in 4-hour, and it looks like it just went down a bunch. So my guess is I'm going to try selling and see how that does. So click sell here, and then play. And yes, I'd probably exit right about here, but that's obviously there's leverage and stuff. I don't totally know how it went, but that's a good profit. And I've not looked at this ahead of time. I just scrolled back randomly as you saw. So I'll X out of here, and then let's try. I'm gonna hit buy here. Let's see how it goes. Um, well, I guess as you see there, right when I hit buy, it did well for a minute, which actually I would have cashed out there because I'm used into day trading more or less. So I'd set some price targets, but just for this exercise, I'm not gonna be setting price targets, and I'll just hit stop. But yeah, that would have been like several days. And so what I think I need to do here is just realize that I gotta close it sooner than I have been. So that one was a loss, but if I was actually trading that live account, that probably would have been a win. Who really knows? I don't see here. It might go down more. I'm just gonna let her play. Wow, that went down. It's probably going up, but so let's just trade this. Who knows? Yeah, Forex. It's hard, guys. So, and especially because a lot of these things, I feel like I just hit my stop loss. If I held it this whole time, I would have made money. And then, and this indicator here, I like the indicator, but it's kind of a lagging indicator, like a trailing indicator, like most of these. So I'm going to go back to Bitcoin or something, which I really know. If I click over on here in crypto, and you guys can try this out yourself. I'm just using it. This does not look right. So let's go back. All right, right here. So that's great. So I'll try with Bitcoin here, and then just again, click replay right up here, and then scroll way back, and click. Okay, well, not sure why it's doing that, but what the frick? Oh no, never mind. It's all perfect. So I can see this is back in December of 2020. Back then, or December 20th. Okay, actually, I kind of know where. So, no, that is 2020. So I was not trading crypto back then. Obviously, I know the bull market happens sooner or later, but I'm just gonna be going down for the closer time frames again. And so let's see here. Like I would say probably I'm gonna go down to the maybe 30-minute time frame. It's gone up a fair bit, but I would say I'd put a sell here honestly, and then have a target price target about at 23,150, I'd say, and a stop loss up at let's say like 25. So that's 25,200, I'd say. So that's definitely a positive price to risk ratio. So let's click sell here and play. And damn, okay, what this is teaching me is I gotta really learn how to use this stuff because there obviously would hit my stop loss, like I said before. So let's go back again. Click yes, and then replay again. Go back to another random time frame. And here, let's see about selling here again. I'm not like I'd normally be doing a bit more technical analysis, but I'm not the best with these indicators and everything else, or tools, Fibonacci, whatever, retracement tools, everything. So it's just going to be a matter of I'm going to do my best just from what I see, and then kind of see what I need for a strategy and stuff. So as much as experimental as it is for content here. So let's go. This is December 4th of 2022. So I know it went up roundabouts, but in day by day, I don't really know. It looks like we had a bit of a pullback here, and then we're consolidating price action. And so I'm going to say again, instead of sell this time, let's actually buy. And I probably do lower leverage so I could have it like 16,500. Nah, 16,600 for the stop loss. And then I'd say all the way up at like 18,200 or something for the price target just to kind of see. Obviously, I may get stopped out there, but let's see. I always like to have a fairly high profit ratio, so then if I lose more trades, I'm still making money. Let's hit play here and see how it goes. All right, so far so good. Or maybe not. Let's see. So it's 16,600, I think I said, right here. So let's hope for the best. All right, and still going. This would be definitely a longer trade if I took this trade, but with all that consolidation, I probably would have. And yeah, I wish we could turn this up faster, but it only lets me go up to 10 times. Anyway, so okay, yeah, there we go. Right, would hit my price target right up. I think I said price target up there. Anyway, if not, we would have hit it there. So I'll just pause that, call that a win, and yeah, maybe that one wasn't fully fair, so I will start over again. I kind of knew roundabouts, but and maybe you guys can see I'm trying not to pay attention to where it's going. So just saying, this to me though, it looks like went up in a downtrend. It went up higher, but it's starting to look like another downtrend to me. This is February 2022. I do not really know what happened between then and April. I was trading crypto back then, but I mostly just took a break and let it sit for that winter because I was one of the guys that thought it was going up to 100 or more. And so after November, it started going down. I just kind of forgot about my crypto holdings. So yeah, let's click sell and play. Yeah, I'd say like 4,200 stop loss and then 35 price target. Right down there, just above the bottom. So let's see here. So far, so good. And I noticed a lot of so there, I got stopped out. But I notice a lot of these, I tend to, on these, when I'm actually live trading, I'm usually down at the 15-minute chart, whatever, and I tend to get stopped out on these longer trades. So on these next few trades here that I'll do, I'm going to try and go for really zoom in on that time frame and just go as fast as I can. So like here, this is, if I zoom out, up, down, but let's see if I zoom in here. So well, this is 1 day. So I'd say here, yeah, for the 1 day, I'm on 30 minutes, I'm gonna go down to the 15-minute chart. I probably would try to enter, like put a limit order right up at like maybe 22,950 or 22,900. Let's see if it goes up there, and then yeah, I'll just play it for a minute. So yeah, 22,900 right there. So I'll click sell and then play it. And hell yeah, that I would have probably stopped out right about there. So that was great, a great trade. So I'm really seeing here though that yeah, when I do those shorter trades, I make a lot more money and I'm a lot more profitable. So again, I love this indicator. It's a trailing indicator, but I just, if it's something you can do, you can always sign up for the free trial of TradingView, and it's an amazing exercise for us. It really makes you think and makes you be able to look at the charts and just see what happens. So here it's, well, actually, rather than trading Bitcoin again, let me go to like ETH or something just to switch it up a little bit. So Ethereum UST, right at 1698. And that makes me happy because I'm holding quite the bag of Ethereum. Click on replay. All right, and so it went up. The overall trend is up. So it's hard to say here, honestly. I'm gonna have to say I'd probably sell till it's down at like 1220 or something. I'd probably just hold off. I'm gonna let it play, see if I can get a bit of a better entry point. Maybe slightly down below this, or right about here. Because I'm thinking my stop loss would be right about, let's say, 1185. Right here, because then there's, yeah, some support here, or I don't know. Yeah, let's go for 1170. That's a lot, but with lower leverage, that's a definitely safe trade. And then I'm going to buy, of course, here. And then up at 1253, do 1170. That's a $70 risk. So let's go to 1340 is our price target. So I'm going to click play here for a minute to see if I can get a bit of a better entry. Yeah, maybe enter right about there, like I said, 1245 or something like that. I'll click buy here now, and then see where this goes. So far, not so good, but let's hope for the best. I'm still on a 15-minute indicator. Haven't quite been stopped out yet, because that's down at 1170. And let's see where this thing goes. Let's switch back to 4 hour, just to, because the bigger, keep playing. Trajectory here. Starting to go up. And that looks like I would have been stopped out there. So yeah, these longer trades, either I gotta hold this stuff for a hell of a lot longer, because like although right here would that have, oh no, 13, I said 1340, so that would have actually been a positive trade, since I said 1340 I would finish it out at, since that would give me a $90 profit rather than a $70 risk. So I would have actually not been stopped out by this. So that's awesome. It makes me feel better about myself. But then let's just continue on here. So obviously we had a spike here. This is January 1st, 2023, or January 14th. I think we all know where it went from here. I hadn't looked at the date before, actually. So let me go back more and just see here. Oh, I forgot to click replay. So this is 2018. That's ages ago. I wasn't trading, but let's oh, it even started right back here in 2017. Maybe that's when TradingView started. I don't know. But based off of this, if I zoom in, since it's on a 4-hour chart, it's going up. My guess would be like price target 619 would be like a 2-day trade, or 620. I'd just say 625 just to be on the safe side. Let's see that in stop loss up at like 800. That's still a positive risk to reward ratio. So I'm going to click sell and play, and let's see what happens. Damn. All right, well, so much for that. I guess if I had waited enough, maybe it would have been positive. But back then, especially, things are uncertain. So what I'm learning here is I got to get better at this trading and experiment with this a lot more. All right, as we can see in that video there, well, that'll be it. That'll be it for trading in TradingView there, because as we can see, I gotta learn a lot still. Like it's difficult when you're not using indicators properly. And I think it's just a good lesson for us all that we need to do our proper technical analysis rather than just thinking we know best. But exercises like this will forever help us, you know, because I know so many people, myself included, back when I used to day trade in 2020 stocks, I would just experiment with a live account because things are exciting, you get the rush, but it pays to, even if you got to spend a bit on TradingView. Although you get the free trial, I'll link them down below if you want to sign up. And when you sign up for the actual paid service, you get up to $30 of free credit. So use my link, get that credit if you want TradingView. And yeah, definitely experiment with this software. Use a replay function. It will save your ass, because just trust me, you can lose so much money when you're trading. So develop a proper strategy, which I don't even have right now, but I'm learning. And the more I do this stuff, the more I am learning. Anyway, I've said a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and drop a comment down below. I will see you next week. Peace out.